Hello everyone. I'm Navneet Chandra from Just Evaluate. I'm an Ielts and PTE trainer. I've been uploading videos for all the Ielts and PTE aspirants, and I hope you like them. All those who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also like the videos. Okay, so today I bring another vocabulary video to you all. This is for writing task 1, map-based question. So let's begin. I had earlier uploaded a map question and the sample answer, and today I'll be sharing its link again in the comment section. So please watch that video too. It's quite informative. Okay, so let's begin. How to use the map vocabulary and what sort of vocabulary should you use? Firstly, you should know what type of map questions come. Either you can just get one map and you'll be asked to describe it. Maybe it's major landmarks or the landscape. Next, there will be two maps. So you have to make a comparison between the two. Maybe it's talking about the past and the present, like what changes have come over in whatever is depicted in the map till date. Or it can be the present and the future. Like one map can be of the present situation, say a present town, what are its major features, and how it's going to look in the future. So these are the two kind of maps that generally come. Okay, so how do you begin? Firstly, read the question, understand, see what the examiner wants. Then identify the major landmarks in the map. And then identify the main features, see which features have changed and which have remained the same. And then talk about direction. Directions are of utmost importance in the map question, whether it is in the listening part or the writing part. Next, we see the structure. Most of you who are preparing for IELTS would know the structure by now. Basically, make 4 paragraphs, beginning with the introduction. In the introduction, just talk about the question, what all is asked of you, and what all is mainly given in the map in just a single sentence. Then go to the next paragraph where you have to write the overview. This is the main paragraph in a report writing question. So this has to be good and it has to be impressive. So here you mention all the trends. What are the major changes? The most substantial and significant changes or trends you need to mention. Okay, next come 2 body paragraphs wherein you explain the entire map. And in the last 2 paragraphs, you talk about the various trends in a logical and sequential manner. Okay, so let's move on. Now, in a map, directions are of utmost importance. So you can either talk through cardinal directions, that is north, south, east, west, or intermediate like northeast, northwest, or you can use alternate words. Like you can say extreme left or extreme right corner, or to the left, to the right, across, adjacent, besides. So there's so many. Diagonally opposite. So you should know how to use these words. So these are all words that are alternately used for showing directions. So how do we describe specific changes? Supposing we're talking about buildings. So these are the words that can be used like renovated, constructed, relocated, all these. Reorganized, revamped. And if you've taken down the building, demolished, knocked down, pulled down, tore down, razed to the ground. So all these words can be used to describe buildings. And you need to describe a city or a town. So, besides talking about its landmarks, we can talk about the pavement. Pavement is a sidewalk where it's only used for walking, mainly for pedestrians. Then green belt. We're talking about the natural environment, the greenery, which includes the trees, the public parks. Then roundabout. Your cities also, you must have seen, has circular intersections which can lead to different paths. Roadside means just by the road. Like you say, there are many vendors lined up alongside the road or by the roadside. Then metropolis means a very large city like Bombay, Calcutta, Bangalore, Delhi. All these are metropolitan cities. What is a landscape? Basically, a map is given, and on that, maybe they're talking about a hill, river, then valleys, different natural contours. So it can be a summit, which is the highest point of a mountain, a bay, like we have the Bay of Bengal. So if you can see in the map, it's curved like this. So it's like a curved coastline. So that's called a bay. Then archipelago, group of islands, canal, a man-made waterway, canyon, a deep gorge, or valley with steep sides, like the Grand Canyon. Then tide, so rise and fall of the sea level. Tributaries are very small rivers, or you can say rivulets, which go and join a larger river. You all must be aware of the word hedge, where a row of shrubs forms a boundary wall. Area of a place, how is it described? We're talking about the length or the width or the depth or the height. That is how area is. Now, what all connectors can be used here to link the various sentences so that everything comes in a cohesive manner? Now, if you want to depict similarity, so these are the words in the same vein, similarly, likewise. You can see it all here. Then, when you're talking about additions, you can say additionally, besides, moreover, furthermore. Then, if you want to highlight something, so you say significantly, that is important, or it's of paramount importance. Then, substantially, interestingly, amazingly. So, all these words will add to your score and will give you a good balance. Next are words of contrast. Like if you don't agree with something and you want to put across another point, so how do you go about it? It can be conversely, whereas, however, in contrast, although, on the contrary, on the other hand, and many, many more such words. So do keep looking up these words, do keep preparing, and I'm very sure you score a very high band score. And do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And also go to the comments section and look at the video where I've given the sample answer of a map question. Okay, then, all the best.